In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add money to your Google Ads account and explain the concept of Google Ads thresholds. If you're ready to get started with online advertising and drive more traffic to your business, understanding how to manage your account's finances is essential. First, you'll want to open your web browser and go right to the Google Ads homepage. You can do this by either typing in the website address directly or simply searching for Google Ads through a search engine. Once there, you'll notice a sign in button at the top right corner. Click on it and enter your credentials if you aren't already logged in. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the Google Ads homepage. This is where you have a bird's eye view of your campaigns and performance metrics. Now let's focus on adding funds to your account. At the top of the page or in the menu, look for the billing option. You may need to click through your account icon or menu links to find this. Once you've found billing, click on it, taking you to a new section devoted entirely to your account's financial details. This is where you can manage your payments and see your billing history. Next, locate the settings option. Clicking on this will lead you to more fine-grained controls over your billing preferences. Now within settings, focus on the payments contacts section. Your payment contacts are crucial for ensuring that whoever is supposed to manage or see payment information has the correct permissions. Click on Payments Contacts, and here you will be greeted with options to manage who has access to the billing section of your account. To add someone new, find and click the button labelled Add a New Contact. This will allow you to input a new individual's information, letting them either view or manage the billing details as needed. This step is essential if you're part of a team where different people handle finances and advertising separately. Managing your payment contacts can prevent errors, ensuring that the right people have oversight over your ads spending. Also, it's helpful to keep an eye on the Google Ads threshold. This is a feature that ensures you don't blow through your budget unexpectedly, as it dictates when Google charges your credit card based on the amount you've set. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to efficiently managing the financial side of your Google Ads account, allowing you to focus on creating effective advertising campaigns that drive results. Thanks for following along, and be sure to explore more of our tutorials to get the most from your Google Ads experience.